In the same way, algebra, geometry, everything will be little, there are some parts in mathematics also. You will come to know once we will study algebra also. Algebra no chapter house semester 2. Okay? So geometrical idea means what? What do you mean by geometrical ideas? So first thing we have to learn is point. What do you mean by point? Can I say this is a point? Our first topic. Girls, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
સંભળાય છે કે નથી સંભળાતું?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So point means what? Can I say that point is simple point what we have shown right here on the desk? Geometry, circle, everything is prepared with the help of this point. You know? સમજાય છે point એટલે શું? Point is a bold dark dot what is shown here. This is said to be point. What do you mean by line segment? Line segment means a line which is formed between two dots. This is known as line segment. આને શું કહેવાય? શું કહેવાય છે?
Line segment.
Line segment. Now, third point is what? Line. What do you mean by line? Line is having two arrows at the end. This is said to be line. Okay? And this is said to be point. એ તો ખબર જ ને બધાને, લખવાની જરૂર નથી. Now, what is the difference between line segment and line? And ray કહી દઉં. Ray is having one point, line, and one side arrow. This is said to be ray. Now, what is the difference between this all? Ray can be in any direction. Not, sir, આવું કર્યું તો આ એક જ direction ન આવે. It can be from here to this side also, from down to cross diagonally up also. It can be from up to down also. It can be anywhere. Ray must be going through anywhere. સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
Now listen, what do you mean by line segment? Line segment is always in the measurement. Okay? Their measurement are fixed. For example, if I say prepare a line segment of 5 centimeter, if I ask you prepare a line segment for 5 centimeter. So what will be your job? Your job is to take your scale and pencil, okay? Take your scale and pencil, measure, keep the scale in your book or page, and you will be dragging your pencil up to 5 centimeter. Okay? What you did? You only drag your pencil up to 5 centimeter. Scale from 0 centimeter up to 5 centimeter. Okay? So this is, if I say A and B, if I give the name both the point as A and B, and the measurement will be of 5 centimeter. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is your answer what I have prepared here. Preparing a line segment for 5 centimeter. So answer is, therefore, how to write line segment AB in geometrical symbol? Line segment AB will be written as like this. Line segment AB is ready with 5 centimeter. समझ पड़ी क्या ना पड़ी?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Yes,
जो
sir.
આને કહેવાય લાઇન સેગમેન્ટ. આ સિમ્બોલને શું કહેવાય? લાઇન સેગમેન્ટ. બરાબર? લાઇન સેગમેન્ટ AB આખું લખવા ના બેઠવાનું હોય. Geometrical has lot of things to be spoken in a big manner, but it has to be written in a symbol manner. Can you see? This is said to be line segment AB. અને શું કહેવાય? લાઇન સેગમેન્ટ AB. સમજાણું ગર્લ્સ?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why
Yes,
it is
sir.
said to be line segment AB? Because there is symbol on the top of AB. Can you see here? This is the symbol કે આ line segment છે. શું છે? તો કે AB છે. Is ready with 5 centimeter because the question was asked to prepare a line segment for 5 centimeter. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, in the same case, instead of line segment, if they was prepare a line of 5 centimeter, so line will be having this. We have drag here line segment. Okay, so line માં શું થશે? ડોટ ઉપર એરોઝ ના આવે, થોડી ડ્રેગ કરીને એરોઝ બહાર કાઢવાના. શું કરવાનું? This is the measure of 5 centimeter only. Are you getting? સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the symbol will be from here. Dot અહીંયા નીકળી જાય. Symbol will be with arrows. Arrows no symbol થઈ જશે. શું થઈ જશે? A and B. This is said to be line AB is ready with 5 centimeter. Are you understanding the difference between line segment and line?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let me tell you one thing. Sir, આ dot ની બહાર કેમ arrows કાઢેલા છે? Line segment is always accurate. Line segment માં 5 centimeter નું પછી 5.1 પણ ના થાય અને 4.9 પણ ના થાય. સમજ પડી? It has to be 5 exactly. Are you getting my point? But line, line, because they have two and arrows. Sorry, two end points. End points એટલે અહીંથી બહાર ન નીકળી શકે line segment. અહીંયાથી પણ બહાર ન નીકળી શકે line segment. But in line we can drag it from left hand side also. Arrows છે એટલે શું? We can drag this from right hand side also. હવે આને 7 centimeter બનાવવું હોય તો we can drag this line towards both the sides. સમજ પડી? So arrows હોય એટલે line કહેવાય, dots હોય બંને end point ઉપર, એને શું કહેવાય? એને શું કહેવાય છે દીકરા?
segment.
Line
segment.
Any doubt
No,
about
sir.
these 2 points?
No, sir. No doubt. No doubt.
Line segment has accurate measurement and line segment has accurate measurement and line can be extended from both the side. Line can be extended from both the side. Line segment has accurate measurement. It has full stop itself. Can you see here?
Yes.
Yes.
So line segment has accurate measurement and line can be extended from both the sides. Is that clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now ray hole. For example, this is one diagram like this. Okay. This is one diagram. So in this diagram, can I say that this line is going from this point towards this side? One is endpoint and one is arrow here. So this is said to be ray. Are you getting? ये तुमने खबर पड़ी जैसे, but ray symbol has to be shown like this. For example, if it is ray OA, from point O, you are getting A. So point O થી લઈને A સુધી તમારી ray થતી હોય, so the ray will be like this. You will be have a dotted line and this is the symbol of ray. This will be spoken as ray OA. Understood? समझ पड़ी girls?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood ना बच्चा बाटी?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, girls. Now, next point. Intersecting line. What do you mean by intersecting line? If this is line L, and if the another line is crossing to this line L, okay, this one I say if it is line M.
Line.
Chalo. So line M is intersecting to line L. Line કોઈ દિવસ એરો વગર હોય નહીં. શું બોલાય છે? Intersecting lines. So can I say line L and line M are two lines? Intersected means the point where it get connected equally. So can I say if I write 0 here, sorry, O as an orange. So line M is intersected. Line M is intersected to line L. Any doubt here?
No, sir. No doubt.
No, sir. No doubt.
No, sir. No doubt.
समझ पड़ी? Line
Yes, sir,
M
समझ
is
पड़ी.
intersected to line L at point O. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No.
No, sir.
Okay, great. Now let me tell you one thing. We will keep this up till this point because next points I will be going through. અત્યારે પણ થઈ શકે, but I am going to use a board. બોર્ડમાં જ હું તમને સમજાવીશ, એ better સમજાશે. Okay, right now I cannot it's almost our time is also related to next 5 to 10 minutes we have, so I don't want to set up all that and waste the time. So right now if you want, I'm giving you time. We have started our basic geometrical ideas, few topics have been shared. Okay, you know about point, line segment, line and rays and intersecting lines. We studied 5 different points, but then too I will start this chapter again on board and I will show you with few examples so that you will be cleared with the deep points to be cleared in our next lecture. Okay, girls?
Okay, sir.
સમજાય છે બેટા? તો તમને વધારે ઇઝીલી સમજાશે ને તમે ઇન્ટરસેક્ટિંગ લાઇન્સ કઈ રીતે થાય છે, કોણે કહેવાય, એ બધું તમને ડીપલી સમજાશે. ઓકે?
Okay,
So
sir.
I will use the
Okay,
board
sir.
in our next lecture and we are going to study this basic geometrical ideas, continuing the same thing for explanation and everything on the board. Right now, still we have few more time. So I don't want to spoil this time. I want you all to check out from chapter 1 and chapter 2. If you have any doubts, I can solve it right now. For half lecture, we are going through with the revision part. Chalo. I'm putting you on a mute. If you create any questions, if you have any doubt, I will surely solve that right here, right now. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Chalo.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
check out fast. Open your PDF or open your textbook if you have at home. Please check out chapter number 1 and chapter number 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Chapter number 2,
Okay.
2.1, question number 8.
2.1. Question number 8. True or false? Huh?
No,
Hello?
sir. No, 7.
3.1.
7. Question number 7.
Yes.
In each of the following pairs of a number, pairs are given here. State which of the whole number is on the left of the other one. Okay? On a number line. Number line તો બધાને ખબર જ ને? Line
Yes,
તો
sir.
બનાવતા આવડત ને બધાને? હમણાં મેં તમને દેખાડ્યું.
Yes.
This is a number line. Why? Both end arrows should be there because it can be extended from left hand side also. It can be extended from right hand side also. Got it? Now, they are asking that કયો number થી left side આવે છે? Are you getting?
Yes.
Also write them in the appropriate sign. Sign મૂકવાની છે greater smaller ની. So for example, if I give you 10 and 12, chalo. 12 and 10, આપણે મેં તમને આપ્યું 12 and 10. Now which one is greater number?
12.
12 is greater, so sign કેમ આવશે?
This side.
Right? Now,
Yes.
on a number line, if I start from here as 0, 0 પછી 1 આવે, 2 આવે, 3 આવે. Number line can be extended up to infinite. Let me clear you. Sir, આપણે તો અહીંયા પેજમાં 10 સુધીના જ આવે છે. Sir, આપણે પેજમાં 12 સુધીના જ આવે છે. We don't care about how much you are getting in your page. The concept is number line can be extended up to infinite. Number line ઉપર 1,10,000 એ આવે. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
સમજાય છે?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
according to the work, according to the base, we have to assume કે number કયો પહેલા આવે? Smaller number પહેલા આવે? Whole number? 3 મોટો કે 2 મોટો?
3.
3 moto. So 3 is on the right hand side, 2 is on the left hand side of the whole number 3. સમજાય છે? 2 કઈ સાઈડ આવ્યો? લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ આવ્યો?
Yes.
So આ બેમાંથી લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ કયો નંબર આવે?
2. 12.
12 લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ આવે. 10 11 and 12. તો 12 લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ છે. 10 આવે કે 12 આવે? નાનો નંબર હોય લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ આવે. ઇડિયટ્સ. The whole number out of the pair given, the greater number will be always right hand side. મોટો નંબર હોય હંમેશા રાઈટ સાઈડ આવે, અસેન્ડિંગ ઓર્ડરમાં રાઈટ સાઈડ આવે મોટો નંબર હંમેશા.
Okay.
So the smaller number will be always a left hand side on a number line. समझ पड़े છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
So 530 is there first sum and 503 is there. Which one is greater number?
530.
This one is greater. So 503 will be on the left hand side. પેલા 503 આવે 0 થી પછી 530 આવે. Yes or no? So 503 is on the left hand side of the other number. સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
So 503 is on the left hand side of the other whole number 530. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Now 370 is greater or 307? Which one is greater?
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct. 370 is greater or 307 is greater?
370.
So 370 motu છે તો which number will be on the left hand side of the other number on a number line? Which number will be on the left hand side of the other number on a number line? Useless girls. કયો નંબર લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ આવે? ઇડિયટ. My God. Ridiculous. ચલો કાઈ સમજાવીને મતલબ નથી. ઇટ્સ ઓકે. આ બે માંથી નોનસેન્સ. આ બે નંબર માંથી કયો નંબર લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ આવે નંબર લાઈન માં? This is number line. From this number line, which number you will get on the left hand side? 307. હા તો બોલ ને, મોઢામાં મગ ભર્યા છે ક્યારનો હું ગળું ફાડું છું. 307 and 370 માંથી કયો મોટો નંબર છે? 370 is greater. તો greater number હંમેશા right hand side આવે because it is having distance between 0 and the greater number. 0 ની પાસે કયા નંબર આવે? જે smaller number હોય ઈ આવે. What is the smaller number out of these two? 370 ke 307?
307.
Which will be on the left hand side of the number line?
307.
તો બોલો ને.
307.
ચલો છે ડાઉટ હવે ભાઈ? What is the number? Read the number, this one. 98,765. 56,789. Which one is greater number?
5,600.
Nonsense. Don't even know to read the numbers. સર નંબર રિપીટ કરી ગયા તો એને બોલતા નથી આવડતું. બોલો, વિચારો તમે. કઈ હદની ક્લાસ છે?
Sir, can I meet answer?
Yes. First read this number. મને રીડ કરીને બતાવો પેલા નંબર.
Yes, sir. 98,765.
Okay. 765. ચલો.
56,789.
So which one is greater number?
98,765.
So we have to put a sign. So we have done our job. So this one is greater. So this one will be not on the left hand side. The smaller number will be on the left hand side. So smaller number is what? So 56,789 is on the left hand side of the given whole number 98,765 on a number line. આવી રીતનો આન્સર લખવાનો છે તમને લોકોને. ખાલી મૌખિક ખાલી વર્ડ્સ લખીને મૂકી નથી દેવાના. Like this you have to write. Which one is greater? 530 is greater. So 503 appear the left hand side on of 530 on a number line. Is that clear? 98,765 is greater than 56,789. So 56,789 appear on the left hand side of 98,765 on a number line. समझ पड़ी गई?
Yes.
Chalo, who will read these numbers? What is given here? Last number.
I want to say, sir.
Yes, beta, come on.
Myself, Meera Arfa. D1, sir.
D.
Okay, sir. 9,83,000. Sorry. 9,83,300.
મિલિયન ની હગી ક્યાં આવી? મિલિયન ક્યાંથી લઈ આવી તું ઇન્ડિયન ફોર્મેટમાં?
Sir, can I read again?
9,83,415.
Nonsense, girls. All of you I am talking to. જ્યારે આવા મોટા નંબર્સ આવે ને ત્યારે ઇડિયટ વેડા નહીં કરવાના. 9,83,000 ને 92 ને ફલાણું ને ઢીકણું ને. You have to check out ones place. What is ones place here?
5.
Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. શું બોલાણું 9 ઉપર?
98,30,000.
30,415. હવે આવડ્યું બોલતા? કેવી રીતે રીડ થાય નંબર?
Yes,
sir.
નોનસેન્સ ક્યારની? 9,80,000 ફલાણું ઢીકણું ખોટે ખોટા ગોગડા વાળવાના. એની કરતા પહેલેથી જ તમને લોકોને 1000 વખત જ્યારે ચેપ્ટર ચાલતો હતો ત્યારે શીખવાડેલું છે. હાઉ ટુ રીડ ધ નંબર, સ્ટાર્ટ એન્ડ રેકગ્નાઇઝ ફ્રોમ વન્સ પ્લેસ. તમને ના આવડતું હોય તો વન્સ પ્લેસ થી ચાલુ કરો. The maximum place will be the maximum value of the number. Read this number. How to check? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore. So what will be the value of this number? Now read the number. 1 crore. There is nothing, so no need to describe this.
1 crore
23,000. There is nothing in between, so no need to describe. 1 crore 23,001. આટલું સિમ્પલ રીડ કરતા નથી આવડતું. 6th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ના મોટા આમ આટલું મોટું મગજ થઈ ગયું, આટલી મોટી છોકરીઓ થઈ ગઈ. નંબર્સ રીડ કરતા નથી આવડતા. સિરિયસલી. So which one is greater number? 98,30,415 or 1 crore 23,001?
1 crore 23,001.
1 crore is greater than 98 lakh, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
So which number will be on the left hand side on a number line?
98 crore. Sorry.
98,30,415.
Isu પણ
On left side.
Is on a left hand side of a number 1 crore 23,001 on a number line. क्या कोनी बाजुमा कोणा ઉપર લખવું જરૂરી છે? on બાજુમાં નહીં. સમજાય છે કે નહીં girls? The question is related to on the number line. So answer માં describe થવું જરૂરી છે that 98,30,415 is on the left side of the number line. સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
Girls, very good. Chal.
Yes.
Any other questions, girls?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, I have one question.
बोल દીકરા.
In 2.2.
Wait a moment. Let me cancel this. Okay. Chalo. 2.2. Chapter 2, 2.2. Wait a moment. This is 2.1. Okay, 2.2. Pachi?
Yes. Find the value of the following. Question number 3.
Find the value of the following.
Following.
Question number 3.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So let us find the value. What is there to what is wrong in this?
297 into 17 plus 297 into 3.
હા તો કરી નાખો વેલ્યુ ચેક. નથી આવડતું? We have to use the property. કોણ કહેશે property use કરવાની છે તો?
Sir, I Malkani Khadija in some number D. I have also doubt. Some number D.
297 is common here. Please, in bracket,
Yes.
I can say 70
Yes.
plus 3.
3.
So can I say that 297 multiply 17 plus 3 will be 20. Any doubt
20.
here?
No.
Now, can you get the answer? 297 multiplied by 2. 14,
1 minute.
1 up, 18, 19, 9, 1 up, 2 2s are 4, 5. 5, 9, 4, and there will be 1 0. So the value you will get is 5,940.
940.
Are you getting what we did? We have applied the
Yes,
property.
sir.
See here, check the answer.
Yes, sir.
Answer number 3.
Sir.
Applied property. A, B, and C. So what property we have applied? A into in bracket B plus C. સમજાય છે? This is what we have applied here.
Yes,
A
sir.
into in bracket B plus C. Understood, girls?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Do take care of yourself. Take care of your health very well. Enjoy your last lecture and make sure you cleared with both the chapters thoroughly. Monday is your paper for mathematics, if you do remember. You have still 2 days to just get through and revise as much as you can for chapter 1 and chapter 2, and you can get all this thoroughly done for 20 marks. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Mohammed sir,
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
in 2.2 exercise number 6 है ना, उसमें vendor supplies 32 liter of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liter of milk in the evening. If the milk cost 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? तो आपने यहाँ पे 45 है ना, उसके बदले 15 पर लीटर लिखा है, तो वही लिखना है ना?
There are नहीं, listen to me very carefully. જે digit હોય એ પ્રમાણે sum કરવાનો. There are 2 printing of NCERT book. અમુકમાં આગળના ચેપ્ટરમાં તમને આ ક્લેશ આવશે. અમુકની બુકમાં ડિજિટ્સ અલગ આપેલા હોય, અમુકની બુકમાં ડિજિટ્સ અલગ આપેલા હશે. But the value and the method will be same. Don't worry at all. સમજાણું? મેથડ જોવાની છે, વેલ્યુ આપણે જે આપેલી હોય એ પ્રમાણે સોલ્વ કરવાનો સમ. Is that clear, Alina?
Okay, sir.
જે રીતના લીટર્સ આપેલા હોય, જે રીતની અમાઉન્ટ આપેલી હોય મિલ્કની પર લીટરની, that has to be calculated accordingly. You don't have to see કે તમે આ કરાવેલું ને મારી ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં આવું છે. textbook, PDF. There are two different printings, so printing error will be compulsory there. Error નથી, બે વર્ઝન છે. અમુકની બુકમાં વેલ્યુઝ અલગ આપેલી હશે, અમુકની બુકમાં વેલ્યુઝ અલગ આપેલી હશે. Is that clear? અમુક સમ્સમાં આખા વર્ષમાં તમે આ ફેસ કરશો. સો તમારી જે ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં જે રીતના સમ્સ હોય એ રીતે આપણે અપ્લાય કરવાનું, અને એક્ઝામમાં જે કોઈ વેલ્યુઝ આપેલી હોય એ પ્રમાણે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવાનું. મેથડ ટુ બી લર્ન. કેલ્ક્યુલેશન્સ લર્ન નથી કરવાના, મેથડ લર્ન કરવાની છે, કેવી રીતે વર્ક કરવાનું છે પ્રોબ્લેમ સમમાં. ઓકે ગર્લ્સ?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Chalo, do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well. Enjoy your last lecture, and all the best for today's exam, and all the best for well preparation for mathematics for Monday. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye
Bye-bye,
bye.
girls. Take care.
Bye bye, sir.